I've always had problems with TMJ and sleep apnea, but I also am a clincher and a grinder at night. And I have actually ground down my teeth to the point where the bottom teeth were grinding into the top teeth, and it was getting really sore. It turns out that my bite was not quite right. So he suggested that we do building up of the back teeth and the top teeth because I have ground them down to the point where it's not healthy. And then he suggested the No-Prep Veneers. I said, absolutely, that'd be great. He asked me if I wanted to be out for the process or if I wanted to be semi-awake, and I went totally out. Because I knew it was going to take at least an hour and I couldn't sit there for an hour with my mouth open. So when I woke up, I had a mouthful of beautifully white teeth.